get you some. Oh, yeah. Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow.
Well, g'day lovelies, welcome back. G'day lovelies. G'day lovelies. Good day, mate. Good day. Hello, you stupid woman. G'day lovelies, welcome back. Alrighty, today we're going to do Aussie girls' version of the dump cake. Alright, so Carrie sent me a message about a week ago and she's like, have you heard of this 4-ingredient dump cake? And it's like, yeah, actually I heard of these years ago. Of course I don't do it the same as the Americans, but yeah, it's a American dessert. It's been around for almost 100 years. Alright, let's smash our Aussie girls version. So preheat our oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Is grab some butter and rub it all over our oven dish and grease that. And then I'm going to make up the lemon cake as directed on the box. Alright, I'm going to dump the can of mixed berries in first. And I'm just going to put the juice in from the other can of blackberries. Alright, now I'm going to put half of this can in. Okay, now we want to pour our batter in. Just try and keep it in one big lump. Alright, I'm just going to put a few of the berries on top. Now I'm going to get some brown sugar and just sprinkle that over the cake itself. Oh yeah, baby. Alright, now we get our nuts. So I like to put a few in the corners first where all the juice is. Alright, once all our juicy spots are filled up, then we go all over the top. With the 1 cup of whatever you're lucky enough to have in your cupboard. Alright, as soon as the oven is hot enough, we want to bang it in there. Oh my god, mate, 45 minutes later in my electric oven and it smells freaking amazing in here. Oh my god, mate. Oh, I just love this sort of stuff. Oh, baby. Gonna have a big chunk of cake first. Big cup of juice. Whack some of that ice cream on there. Boom. Beautiful dessert. Well, there you have it, lovely. Brilliant little dessert for a winter's night. It's a perler. You've got to give it a crack. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night. And I'll see you soon. Toodles.